Hello everyone and welcome to this special announcement video looking at the secret Project Barcelona by Skylum. Yes, we're gonna be talking about the newly announced professional portrait photo editing application. In this video, we're gonna look at everything we know starting from the announced features, release date, pre-sale date and much more. Okay, so starting from the beginning, let's have a look at what do we know based on Skylum messages. So starting from the top, we know that there will be a brand new application which is currently called Project Barcelona. Now of course the name will change, but this is it for the time being. We also know that it's going to be a professional portrait photo editing application and it's been developed in partnership with professional portrait photographer Julia Trotti. Now the scheduled release date is later in 2024, however, there will be an early bird sale available for you to purchase the application earlier with an early bird discount. Now it's important to note that this new application is not here to replace Luminar NEO, and Luminar NEO will remain as the main flagship and photo editing application for Skylum. Now let's talk further about the new application. It will offer a professional portrait editing. The new application will use automatic routine face retouching processes through an efficient AI-optimized workflow, making it as easy as applying presets. With the added advantage of precise and adjustable masking tools, the app will provide enhanced control and accuracy for stunning results every time. At this point, Skylum told us about 6 features the application will offer. Starting with the first one, focusing on skin toning. You will be able to make subtle changes to the skin tone of specific areas using an accurate facial skin segmentation model. This will allow you to remove the red hue or unify the overall color. Additionally, the new app features a state-of-the-art face mesh model that will provide unique makeup correction capabilities. With this, you will be able to apply extra textures like blush, highlight and contour, and change the color of lips, brows and other elements. The second feature will offer an advanced eye enhancement. It will allow you to add iris flare, remove redness, and adjust eye shape with comprehensive selection of tools to perfect a subject's eyes in portraits. The next feature, already known by Luminar users, is focusing on teeth whitening. It will ensure radiant smiles with advanced teeth whitening and brightening capabilities. Now talking about advanced portrait editing, the next feature will allow makeup application. You will be able to enjoy customizable options for creative makeup styles and colors to complement any complexion, clothing or backdrop. When it comes to creative portrait photography, the Bokeh Effects feature will allow you to do exactly that. You will be able to create stunning depth of field effects with Bokeh feature, adding dimensions to the portraits. And finally, the last announced feature will allow you to adjust the body enhancement. You will be able to adjust bodily proportions to correct posture and account for flattering angles, ensuring portrait subjects are in their best light. Now since we finished with the features, let's come back to the release date. The new application at the moment is planned to be released in September 2024. And on top of it, coming back to the early bird sale, this one should be available from 25th of June. And don't forget that you can always follow the link in the description of this video and sign up for the waiting list to get all the information about the new application and also to get an access to this early bird sale. Now, before we continue, just a quick reminder that if you already want to edit your portrait photos using Luminar NEO, don't forget that we have an incredible Luminar NEO Essential Preset Bundle with over 410 presets, including some of the most incredible portrait preset collections. Now currently it's on discount for just $39 and it's available at our website cleverphotographer.com. To get it with the best possible price, simply follow the link in the description of this video. Now coming back to the application, I already told you that it's been developed in collaboration with Julia Trotti. Julia is an incredible portrait photographer based in Sydney, and she is known for her portrait, fashion and travel photography. She also offers photography seminars and workshops, and she runs extremely successful YouTube channel. To find out more about her, you can follow the link in the description of this video, or you can head directly to her website juliatrotti.com. And finally, at the end of this video, a quick reminder that this new application, currently called as Project Barcelona, is here as an additional offer, an additional tool next to Luminar NEO. So what it means is that Luminar NEO is here to stay as the main flagship and the main photo editing application from Skylum. As always, we will keep you posted on all the news, including Luminar NEO, Luminar NEO Mobile, and this new Project Barcelona. And just like that, we are finished with today's tutorial. If you enjoyed it, give it a like, and if you have any questions, make sure that you write them in the comment section under this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our future content. One more time, my name was Jacob Bors, I was your guide on today's Luminar NEO tutorial, and I absolutely can't wait to see you in the next one.